I'm tired to smoke.
3, 4, 5, 6, the last 6 of us. Everybody else fell down.
Antes de la erupción teníamos una comunidad aquí abajo.
Hey guys, welcome back to one more trip with Javier and Laura. In this video we're going to be climbing the Santa Ana Volcano in El Salvador. So after you park, then you take a 10-minute hike to this main area, and then you're going to purchase your tickets that are $3 each per person, and then everyone gets together and you start your hike.
We just got done with our first checkpoint. It's like a group of 30? 40. Maybe we're a big group. Good stuff though.
So once you get through the dense forest part of the hike, you do come to an open area where the terrain changes a little bit and you can see more of the mountains. And then there's a viewpoint that was under repair when we were there, but you can take pictures right next to it.
Antes de la erupción teníamos una comunidad aquí abajo. Se llamaba San Blas. Había escuela, que es techo plan, y había puesto de policía, pero debido a la erupción del 2005 tuvieron que emigrar.
So the sun was fully out at this time. We were the last hike of the day, which starts at 11 a.m. So just keep in mind you may want to bring a hat, sunglasses, and have sunscreen on before you start this hike, especially if you're doing the last one of the day.
3, 4, 5, 6, the last 6 of us. Everybody else fell down. See?
We started with 40.
We started with 40.
We lost members.
We lost a lot of people. This is not a hike for the week.
I'm sorry, I saw the 200. Should have thought more.
I think
I could have pushed you down.
I've lost a toe on the way up here.
Well, good thing you marked it with the rock and the stick. So we'll go back to get it.
Right.
He left his toe.
Hopefully I'll find it.
I hope so. I'll show you guys later.
A lot of these things though. A lot of those. Oh, look at that. Look more people ended up living. I had no hope for that. Nice to see they made it. See? Right there. Oh. Oh, 5 more minutes to the top. Cool. Alrighty, that's all we got. Bueno, para mí también. Coco. Sí.
Vaya.
Gracias.
Nothing better than a popsicle after a hike. Woo.
Oh. It takes about 2.5 hours to get up here. You can reward it with an ice cream for $1.50.
Points that are important. Boiling water. Popsicle, guys. Picture point. Also where I found this stick.
It's a big stick.
It's solid.
So once you reach the top, there was a lot of clouds when we arrived there, but as we waited a little bit longer, because they give you about 30 minutes at the top, the clouds did start to clear and we were able to get really nice photos. So what the crater is itself, it is a sulfur-filled lake, which is what makes the water there that like bright turquoise color, which is like the treat of making it to the top. and being able to see that and enjoy it, take pictures of it. Once you get to the top, your elevation gain is at about 465 meters or 1,525 feet. And yeah.
Having a stick on the way down seems to be the move. So find yourself a stick, or just get a popsicle. Save the stick there at the end. It's really helping some people out. Look at that mountain dog. No, come back here. I want to pet you again. I'm gonna pet that dog. Let me pet you. My God. Know these roads so well. How's the way down coming along?
Ow!
Not the easiest. He was selling ice creams at the top of the volcano. And now he's coming down with holding it with both hands. Okay, like that was going well. Pig, she's dying out on me. I think I broke a toe. They're all good. So I think we're almost down to the bottom. It starts to get really dark when you get back down because the trees are above you. It's been a fun hike. Ankle breaker. Any words?
I'm here. I'm alive. I wish I would have brought my hiking boots for the way down because I have no ankle support. I liked going up better.
Going up way easier than going down. We made it. Maybe an hour later. Fix it. Alright. Let's see what they got here. This is the base.
So after the hike, there's a little bodega you can go down and buy some sandwiches, some chips, some drinks at, and fill up after the big hike.
How much was the sandwich? How much are the plátano chips? $2.50? It's highway robbery. And the water was $1. Those were 50 cents.
The bathroom was interesting. They give you like, there's this huge canister of water in there, and then like make sure you're gonna grab your toilet paper first, and then you get like a bucket of water from the canister to flush your stuff down. So our final review on Santa Ana Volcano in El Salvador. We're driving down the mountain right now, so we thought we'd talk about our experience. So we got here late, so usually from what Javier read, they recommend you getting here from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. We were pushing it because we had to get breakfast, and breakfast wasn't available at our hotel until 8, and then it was an hour away here. So we got here at 11, and then we'll see, we got lost on the way, like just a little bit. But so we got here at 11, and so we were like, we're probably not gonna make it. So we asked the guy in the parking lot. He was like, if you hurry now, you can probably make it. So we got there and we parked, and it's $3 for parking. And then we like walked really fast. You have to walk a trail, like a 10-minute trail, to get to the actual start of the hike where you meet your guides. And then from there you buy a $3 ticket. And then we started the hike.
Oh, yeah. So they're gonna say they close at 11, but you know, around people time. So we pushed it and we got there like at 11:10, 11:15, and they let us in. So, but we definitely were the last ones. I would say if you're gonna do it, be in the front of the pack, because when it comes to the breaks, you're the first one there. They only give you like 5 minutes, and then once the last person catches up, it's gonna take like an extra 3 minutes, and then they only have like 2 minutes worth of break. On the way down, it's terrible. It's just ankle breaking, but faster, and definitely worth it.
Yeah, it was such a nice experience. Like the view was gorgeous of like the lake inside of the crater, and yeah, I think you probably have to be like moderately in shape to do it, not like super in shape. But we've done a couple other hikes before, so it wasn't too bad. And the elevation, like, didn't really have any trouble breathing on this one. Like other hikes that we've gone on that have been more elevated, this one's 3,600 meters, I believe. And like we did Rainbow Mountain in Peru, which was like I think 17,000 feet or something. We'll put it in the video. But yeah, I had a lot more difficulty breathing climbing up that one. This one was just like regular, like standard. Like you're out of breath, of course, because you're climbing up, but it's not like you have to stop.
But it's not a clear path. Lots of rocks you gotta get over, shimmy, kind of use your hands for some of them. So definitely wear the right footwear.
Yeah, I recommend hiking sticks if you can. We found a stick once we got to the very top, and I used it on the way down. That was like a lifesaver, because I wore hiking sandals, which provided like no ankle support. So I would definitely recommend like hiking boots, because it'll save your ankles from like you twisting your ankles on the way up or down. But I loved it. It was a great experience. It was a great hike. It's had in our book.
And at the top, you got rewarded with ice cream for $1.50. Good stuff. Luckily, our group it was pretty big, maybe like 30 or 40 people, but it really paid off, because when you're on the way up, the other groups, because it's groups non-stop, like they'll fill up a group, then they send them up. So we had to cross several groups on the way down, and then it's a really tight space. So it takes a little while for go, stop. But if you're the last group on the way down, you're not waiting on anybody, because nobody else came up after you.
Yeah, so that was a plus side to being the last group. We didn't have to like shimmy around other people going down, which other people had to shimmy around us because we were coming up as other groups were going down.
Also, we rented a car.
Oh yeah, we rented a car. Javier's driving, as you can see.
So the car works out pretty well, but I guess there's certain locations in towns where you're supposed to catch like a chicken bus or something, from what I was told, to come up here.
Yeah, like other videos that we watched. But you can, if you rented a car, you can just drive to, we'll drop the location where you drive to.
Yeah, and then
you can just park your car there.
It's only like $3 for the parking. It's very affordable. There's a viewing area. And it's a very windy road, and in the case... Windy? Not whiny. I mean, I guess if it was a person.
There's a lot of curves to get up here.
A lot of curves to come here. And you can tell who the other tourists are, because they drive like snails.
The people in front of us.
Yeah.
But it was really convenient to have a car rental here, because like we don't have to ask anyone to go anywhere. We don't have to request Uber or taxi or whatever. or like catch a bus. Like we could just get up and go.
I would definitely say look around, make a couple calls for the car rentals, because I found everything from what, like $300, which is like $100 a day, to $50 a day, and then we finally found this one for $32 a day. So, you know, just look around.
Yeah, price shop. Don't go with the first one you find.
We had a great Airbnb guy, but he was charging us like $70 to rent a car from him. So,
Yeah, 70 a day.
yeah, so definitely just look around. And oh, also if you park, if you're staying at the lake, at the base, you're looking at like 40 minutes of driving up to the top, well, to the parking area of the volcano. Just for you to know.
Yep. Not a bad drive. Not bad. Alright, see you guys next time. No, don't flick him. He's my friend.
His name is Roberto. He's coming back to Florida with us. Okay, dog's getting away. Don't get away from me, doggy. I just want to pet you. Just be a fairy.
Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on our next trip.